friends, we are going to take the methods of solving quadratic equation now. Solution, or you may write here, solve the following quadratic equation. Means what? That in last period we already discussed about that one. This is what? Solution means for which value of variable the equation satisfies, that value of variable is called as solution. Now, solve the quadratic equation means what? We are going to find the solution of that particular quadratic equation. Okay? So, there are some methods. Now, we are going to take the first method. It is by factorization method. Afterwards, completing the square methods. And then by formula methods. So, like these are the methods to solve. So, the first method is by factorization method. Okay? See first one. So, there are different form of that quadratic equation. See first. First of all, some examples are looking like this one. Okay, maybe like this one. See here, this is here, the square term has no coefficient, means just one is there. Sometimes some equations are like this one. Okay, sometimes that equations are like here 5x square minus 3x plus 7 like this one. Means here it is 5 is what? Coefficient. At that time, we are going to make some just different steps here. Okay, afterwards, sometimes here x square, or you may write here 4x square plus 7 is equal to 0. See here, no middle term. Okay, just see here, this here is the b for ax square plus bx plus equal to 0. No. So that b is here 0. That middle term is absent here. Similarly, some examples are like this one also. Means maybe it is like here, okay, like 15x like this one. That means here no constant term. No constant term. That means c is here 0. At that time also we are going to solve the equation. Sometimes the equations are like this one. X plus 7 bracket square is equal to something like here 12. This is also very important. At that time, so what is the procedure to solve these kinds of example? That one also we'll discuss in this particular practice set, which is 2.2 here. Okay, some examples are from practice set, some examples are not from practice set. Suppose maybe this kinds of example is not in this practice set. So we'll take some extras also. But remember how to solve these kinds of examples. Okay friends, see here. Let's start for practice set 2.2 now. See friends, this is question number 1 in which we are going to solve the following quadratic equations by using factorization method. Here these are the first 3 sums. Just observe here. See here in the first sum, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Means what? Yes. At that time of this factorization method, what we are going to make? We are going to make split the middle term. That one already in 9th standard, already we know that one, how to split the middle term. Okay, that means here it is just 1 is there. Coefficient is 1. So, we are going to make the 2 parts of middle term. Their sum is minus 15. Okay, and their product is product of these two. Understand? 1 into 54. 54. This is very, very important. Understand what I am telling you? Yes, see here. We are going to split the middle term. The 2 parts of that middle term, their sum is minus 15. And the product is this 54 ones are 54. Like this we are going to form. Okay? See first here. What we are going to make first. That means what? Here we are going to make minus 15. We are going to split that one. Okay? And then product should be what? Plus 54. Okay? Here these are the 2 terms which we are going to form here. Try to understand. So which are these? Their sum should be minus 15. Their product is 54. Just observe here. Whenever the product is 54, that means what? That both must be of same sign. Understand? Product is plus. That means either that may be minus minus or plus plus. Okay. Now minus minus or plus plus, it is depend upon their sum. Here the sum is minus 15, means they have minus signs. Yes, like this we can find. Okay, both the factors having same sign. Okay, now their sum is 15. Their sum is 15 and their product is 54. 54 means what? How to write here? 1 into 54. Look here. Maybe here we will write here 2 into what much? 27. Yes. Maybe it is like 3 into 18. Just try to look here. Then maybe it is not divisible by 4, I think. No. Then I will take here now by 6. 6 into 9. Afterwards, 7 are no. 8, it is not divisible. That is 9, means again it is 9 into 6, 18 into 3, 27 into 2 and 54 into 1. So in these 4, 1 must be okay. What is that? Their sum is 15 now. Where their sum is 15 now? Their sum is 55, their sum is 29. Here it is the sum is what? 21. Now 6 and 9, their sum is 15. So now we are going to write always the bigger one first and the smaller one next. So here these are 9 and 6. These are the two factors of this quadratic equation. That means we have to split the middle term. Understand how to find this one? Here these are the two. Okay. Now just look here. 1x square minus, instead of this minus 15x, what you can write here? Minus 9x minus 6x. Here these are the two. And then plus 54 is equal to 0. Here there are only 3 terms. Now we will make it 4 terms. In that 4 terms, we are going to make the 2 terms pair here. That means like this. Okay, this first pair and this second pair. So now first pair, how much you can take common here? Only x, because here just 1 is there. So you cannot take any number here. So we take x common. Here again 1x remains. So here already we will take x common. So here it is 9. Okay. Now just observe. First term, second term. Here it is third and then fourth. Whenever the third term has minus sign is there. So always take that common. Always. Okay. If we take minus sign common, then change the fourth term sign. Okay. That means here should be minus because of the changing sign. Because we take minus sign common. Now just observe here. Here 6 is there. Here 54 is there. Then from these two, how much you can take common? Here it is 6. Here 6 9s are 54. That means we can take 6 common. Okay? Like this. Now here only x remains. And here 6 9s are 9. Verify always. These two brackets should be same always. Always. If anything different, then you make some mistake. So just try to observe. Always these two are same always. Okay, now afterwards, I will take this x minus 9 common from these two now. Here, from 4 terms, we'll make only 2 terms. And now these 2 terms, that bracket we can take common, x minus 9. And here, remaining part is what? X minus 6 equal to 0. Like this. Okay, once we'll find these two, then the next part is very simple. As you know, whenever the product of 2 terms, here it is the product, no. Product of 2 terms is 0. Then either first may be 0 or second may be 0. That means we are going to make either x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. And then simplify, we'll find the value. Now here we'll write x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay? That means x equal to 9, x equal to 6. Therefore, here what you can write solution, or you may write here roots, is what? Either 9 or 6, like this we can write. Okay? 9 or 6, it is the solution. Or you may write roots here. Understand? Very similar here also. Now observe here. It is looking like very similar here. Here also it is 1 here. Okay friends? That is important. Huh? Here in the next one, 2 is there. That means just try to observe. Whenever factorization method, so here whether any constant term is there or coefficient is there, try to observe here. Now tell me what, here nothing is there, means what, 1, that is plus 1, we are going to make the two parts here. Now here it is what we need, minus 20 we need here, okay, that means we are going to make the two parts of that one. Observe here, product minus 20, product minus 20 means what, one of the term is minus, understand, and other one is positive, means one is plus, one is minus. It is very carefully try to observe. Okay, now here the sum is plus 1, sum is plus 1, both have different signs, means obviously their difference should be plus 1. Now because of here plus is there, it should be greater 1. Look here, observe here, both have different signs, means obviously we have to take difference, okay, but here this one we need what, plus 1, that difference should be plus, means it is greater number sign, okay, that is why. Now here 20, how can I write 20? 20 means what, 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 3 it is not okay, 4 into 5, 5 into 4, like this, okay. Now when the difference is 1, difference 1 means what, they are successive numbers, means what now here, 4 5s are, understand? So the greater number we write as a plus because we need the difference is plus 1, okay. Now here minus, okay, here these are the two factors like this one. Observe here how to find the factor, it is very very important one. Now split the middle term, what you can write here now, 1x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now very similarly we can split, after splitting we'll get the 4 parts, and out of that 4 parts we can write here first 2 and last 2. So take common here, similarly very similar example is there, we'll take x common here, x remains plus 5 remains. Now here minus, again minus, means we have to change the sign of fourth one. Means I will take 4. Why 4? Because in 24 is there, because 4 5s are. Okay, means sign change, 4 5s are. Just observe here, this bracket same in both the terms. Take that common, x plus 5. How much remains here? X minus 4 equal to 0. Again, whenever the product of two terms is 0, either first may be 0, second may be 0. So x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 5 or x equal to plus 4. You may write here x equal to minus 5 or x equal to 4. Like this also we can write here. Understand? Now observe here this side. But wait. Okay, see here. Whenever here the square term has no coefficient, means one coefficient, we can write directly also. How we can write? Look here. Just try to observe here. Okay, here also and here also. Both in examples we can observe here. Observe here. We'll split the middle term, we'll get like this one. Okay, so we can remove, or you cannot, no need to write these two steps. In after some examples, we can write directly. How you look here? Whenever like this one, here minus 9, minus 6 is there. So just write the two brackets here. Okay, variable is what? X, x. Okay, right now minus 9 here, minus 6 here, and just simplify, finished. Here also, look here, plus 5, minus 4. Look here, right? X, x, plus 5, minus 4. The two brackets, the product is there, and simplify us. Means some bigger examples you can write directly when if the square term has one is coefficient. Okay, but we cannot write directly in this type of example. Here we have to write, we have to split the middle term. Here no need to, but after you understanding that one. Okay, that means here also these two steps you no need to write, but when you understand that one. Okay, try to first understand and then you can write directly also. Okay friends, now see, in this third one you cannot write directly because of this coefficient. Okay, you have to write like this one. Okay, see here, Middle term coefficient is what? Plus 27. Okay, we are going to make the split of that one. And here, the third one is what? This one. 13 twos are. Here also 21s are. 20 only. Here, don't write 13 only. Right? 13 twos are 26, which is plus 26. Now, already I tell you what is that? Their product is plus. Their product is plus. Means what? Both have same sign. Either may be negative, may be positive. It is depend upon this side. Here it is plus. That means both have plus sign. Try to observe here. Okay. Now, here product is 26 means what? 1 into 26, 2 into 13. It is not 3, I think. Finish. 1 into 26, 2 into 13. Because 13 is a prime number. Out of these two, 1 must be there. Both have same sign. Means sum 27. 13, 2. The sum is what? 15. But we need 27. Means what? 26 ones are. Means 26 and 1. Their sum is 27. Like this we can find the factors here. Right here 26 and here it is 1. Their product is plus 26 and their sum is plus 27. This is the very important part of this factorization method. You should know how to find the factors first. Okay. Now split the middle one. 2y square plus 26y plus 1y. Look here. Plus 13 is equal to 0. Now we'll take the common part. How much you can take common here? Look here. We cannot take only y common. Maybe possibly sometimes 2 and 26. 26 is what? 2 into 13. Means we can take 2y common. Okay. I'll take 2y common. Here only y remains and here only 13. Because already we take y common. Now that's right. Here 1 and 13. 1 and 13. We cannot take anything common here. Whenever nothing is common, at that time we can write 1. Okay, because anything into 1 is always there. So I'll take 1 common. Look here. Here the third term has plus sign. Because of this plus sign, no need to change the sign of fourth one. Means I'll take only 1 common. Whenever 1 common, just keep all terms as it is. Here it is y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now take that bracket. Look here. This bracket is also same. Take that y plus 13 common and remaining is what? 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Like this. Now take the first term y plus 13 equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Look how simple it is. Very easily we can write here. Okay, y is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. That is y equal to minus 13 or y equal to minus half. Like this we can solve the examples. Look here. Very easily. Try to give just concentration. Okay? When and how. This is very important one. Just try to observe what I told you when I finding the factors here. Understand, friends? Okay. Next sums. See here in the fourth one. 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. Take all terms of that side to one side. What do you get here? Look here. 5m square minus 22m minus 15. Okay? Equal to 0. Now, what we need? Minus 22. We have to split that one. And how much we need? 15, 5 is 75. Means minus 75 we can get the product. Because of this sign, minus, both must be of different signs. So whenever the product of any two terms is negative, then both have different sign. Just try to observe. Okay? So I'll write here plus sign, here it is minus sign. Okay? Now, look here. Always write here, because of this minus sign, look here, greater number is negative. Greater number is negative. I will write first negative because of here it is negative. So you can write plus minus also. That means here I will write the greater number. Why? Their difference should be minus 22 means greater number is minus. Now look here. 75. When it comes 75, two numbers. 1 into 75. 2 is not okay. 3 into 25. 4 is also not okay. 5 into 15. Okay. 25 into 3 like this. Now then difference should come 22 means what? 25 threes are. Just try to observe here. From all factors, choose one whichever may be applicable. Means 25 threes are. Then difference is 22. Why difference? Because of both have different signs. Okay? Means the greater number is 25 and smaller number is plus 3. Means their difference is minus 22. Give the greater number sign like this. Understand? Now these are the two terms or two factors of middle term. Now look here, 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 equal to 0, like this. Now very similarly, just from these two and these two, take common whichever may be applicable. 5, 25 means we can take 5 common because 5 5s are. Again one m also be there. So I take 5n common. Here 1m remains minus 5 5s are. Yes, because look here, if you are not okay, just try to multiply again whether we can get same thing or not. Look here, 5 into m square, 5m square minus 5 5s are 25, m like this. Because of this plus, no change of the fourth term. Now 3 and 15, yes, is there in 15, is there 3? 3 5s are, yes, you can take 3 common. So m is there and 3 5s are. Finish, will get the same thing in both the terms that bracket. Take that bracket common here, m minus 5. How much remains here? 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can understand how all these are. And the first may be 0, second may be 0. Now just try to simplify and find the value of variable. Here also 5m is equal to minus 3 and m is equal to minus 3 by 5. Therefore, the solution m equal to 5 or m equal to minus 3 by 5, like this. Okay? Here also very simple. But denominator 2, no need to fear. No need to fear here. Wherever the denominator is 2 is there, then at that time only try to multiply to every term by 2 here, both sides. Right here, multiply to both sides by 2. Finished. In one step, you can remove that denominator. See here, 2 multiply here, 2 to the 4x square. Again multiply here, that 2 to the 4x. If you multiply here, that 2 to getting cancelled. Only 1 remains. Finish. Within one step. Okay friends? Now very similarly, what is that? Middle term is minus 4. Okay? And here the 4 ones are, that is plus 4 should be the product. Now tell me, because of here plus, product plus means both should be same sign. Either that may be minus minus or plus plus. And it is depend upon this sign. Here it is minus, no. So both should be minus. Now look here. 4, product 4. When it is possible? 1 into 4 or 2 to the 4. 1 into 4, their sum. Their sum is what? How much? 4 and 1, 5. Here it is 4 only. That means it is not okay. That means 2 twos are. 2 twos are. Their sum is what? Minus 4. Why sum? Because both have same sign. That is why. Understand? Finish. Here these are the two terms. Now split the middle term. What will get here? 4x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now take the common from first. How much you can take common? 4 and 2. You can take 2 common here. 2x. 2 2s are 4 means 2 again remains. One more x is there. Here total 2x will take common means nothing is there. Whenever nothing is there, at that time 1 must be there. Remember. Okay? Now that's it. Because of the third term, minus means we have to change the fourth sign. Just remember all these here. Okay? Look here. How much you can take common from these two? 2x and 1? Nothing. That means you can take 1 common. If you take 1 common, then remaining parts just keep as it is. Means here it is 2x and here it is 1. If you know any problem here, try to multiply here. 1 into 2x, 2x, 1 into 1, 1. Nothing is there. So check whether these both have same bracket or not. Yes. Now, when you get this same bracket, at that time, that bracket you can take common. How much remains here? Again, 2x minus 1 equal to 0 means what? 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0 means 2x equal to 1, that is x equal to half. Here 2x equal to 1, x equal to half. Look here friends, in last period we already discussed the quadratic equation has maximum roots. Here these are, but sometimes just one root. Here this is x equal to half and x equal to half. Both are same. Means just x equal to half only we can write because both are roots are same. Means just you can write x equal to half. Like this we can get just one root only sometimes for quadratic equation. Understand? So all these try to observe. Okay, in the discussion of the explanation and the solving of this one. So always try to observe here, think here. Okay, now this is the sixth one. Look here, in the first look, it is not a quadratic equation we can say. But try to observe in the first practice set, already we discussed like this sums here. Here the denominator x is there. So try to multiply it to both sides by x here. Multiply to both sides by x. Look here. Here by multiplying, what do we get here? 6x square. Here by multiplying that x getting cancelled. Only 2. It's minus and here 2 only. And here by multiplying, x ones are x. So take all terms to one side. 6x square minus x. And here already minus 2 equal to 0. Now look here. Here the middle term is minus 1. So we have to split minus 1x. Okay, 6 into 2. What is that? Minus 12. Okay. Now again, because of this minus, both the factors are what? 101% different signs. One is plus and other is minus. Okay. Now it is depend upon this one. Minus 1 means greater number is minus and smaller number is plus. Now look here, 12. The factors of 12 is what? 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 6 into 2 and 12 into 1. Here the difference will come 1. Whenever the difference is 1, the two factors are successive. Here it is what? 4 threes are. And always write the greater numbers sign is what? Minus in the difference part 1. Okay, right here 4. And here it is 3. Understand? Minus 4 plus 3 how much? Minus 1. Okay? So here these are the minus 4 and plus 3. These are the two factors. Now let's split the middle term. 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now just look here. 6 and 4. In these two, what we can take common? 6 means what? 2 into 3. 4 means what? 2 into 2. Means both have 2 is there, we can take 2 common. With the same time, x is also there. That means 2x we can take common. So what remains? 2 3s are. One more x remains. Here 2 2s are. But x will already take x common. So in that term, no need to write it x here. Okay? That's it. If you observe here, third term has plus sign. Means no need to change the fourth number sign. Now if you observe here, 3x and 2. Is there anything common in 3 and 2? Nothing. Means 1 is we can take common. Okay. That is 3x minus 2 equal to 0. If you observe, both have same bracket. Every time the bracket is common. Here also and here also. This is the only verification whether we are correct or not. Okay friends. Now I'll take that common bracket. Take common here. And what remains here? 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here it is 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 3. That side 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the roots. Understand friends? Like this we can solve. These are very very important examples. Okay friends? See friends, in 7th sum, it is activity example. Okay, already you solved it. But here some root terms are there. Just try to observe here. Look here. What we are going to make here? We are going to make the split of 7x. So I'll write here plus 7 should be, we have to split and we can get the two factors and their product is how much? Tell me. Their product is 5 and root 2 into root 2, 2. 5 2s are 10 which is plus 10. Whenever plus is there, you know here both must be plus signs. Okay friends? Now, both must be means what? If here plus, then only here plus. If here minus, then we have to write here two terms are minus. Understand? Because their product is plus, means either that maybe both are negative or both are positive. Okay, because of here plus, so both are plus. Now look here. Tell me what? Plus 10. 10 means what? 1 into 10. 2 into 5. Finish. 2 into 5 means 2 and 5. Their sum is 7. Finish. So I'll write here plus 5 and plus 2. Here these are the two factors of that 7. Understand? Now we are going to split these two here. Plus 5 plus 2. Understand? I'll write here plus 5. Already we wrote here plus here. That is 5x. Okay? I'll write by different color. That means you can understand what we wrote here. Okay? See here. 5x. And this side, the second one is what? 2x. Okay friends, now look here, from these two, anything common again? X square and x, here root 2 and 5, from numbers we cannot take anything common here, means only x will take common. So what remains here? Here it is root 2x remains and here plus 5, 1x already we took common here, so just 1x remains. Now this side, look here, it is very important, 2 and root 2. What is 2? This 2 is nothing but, I'll write here, this 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2. Okay, I'll write by this then. Look here. Root 2 into root 2. This 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2. From these two, we can take one root 2 common like this one. Means one more root 2 still remains here. Okay, just look here. It is very, very important one. Okay, one more root 2 still is there. And we cannot take x common because x is not there. So x is still there. Now from these 5 root 2 we took already root 2 common. Means only 5 remains like this. Now check whether both have same bracket or not. Yes it is. Like this one. So that bracket as usual will take common here. This is root 2x plus 5. And this is as usual. Now that first bracket may be 0. Or second one may be 0. Now what we get here? This 5 goes to that side, minus 5. And root 2 comes denominator. Means what? Minus 5 upon root 2. Plus 5 goes that side. And root 2 comes denominator. Upon root 2. Understand? But here it is minus 5 by root 2. This are okay. Right here, minus 5 by root 2. Okay? And minus root 2. But whenever you solve that one, don't keep this root 2 in denominator. Whenever you get that one, try to make, what you can write here? Rationalization. By multiplying root 2 to both numerator and denominator. Like this, we can multiply. But here, you can keep as it is also. Okay friends, look here. Observe this one. And wherever, by you observing, no, that is what the box here. So here also this one box, this is also box. Okay friends, just look here. All these boxes we filled. Observe here. Understand friends? Look here. Here the next 3 sums here. Look here. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Look here. Only the middle term is what? Irrational term. So again try to observe here. Don't fear. Just observe here. Okay, look here. Minus 2 root 6. We have to split that one. Yes. Here, the product is what? 3 2s are plus 6 will take. Plus means what? Both are either minus or plus plus. It is repeated upon this one. Because of this minus, both should be negative. Okay friends? Now look here. 6. When it comes 6, 3 2s are, 2 3s are. But 1 6 also. One more is there. Root 6 into root 6. That is very important. Because we need what? Their sum is what? 2 root 6 means 1 root 6 plus 1 root 6, 2 root 6. Because of both have minus minus, we have to add it. That is 1 root 6. Here also 1 root 6. Understand? Because root 6 plus 6. This one, no need to write. Okay? Now here it is the 2 roots here. So 3x square minus 1 root 6x plus, sorry, again minus 1 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Take common from these two. Yes, look here, one more. 3 and root 6 means what? In 3, here root 6, something is common. So this one, no need to write. Okay, I'll drop this down. Okay, now what is root 6? Root 6 means root 3 into root 2. And that root 3 is here. Where? 3 means what? Root 3 into root 3. So, I will write here, root 3 into root 3. Here, root 3 into root 2. So, from these two, I will take root 3 common. Understand? But more root 3 still remains. And here, not only root 3, here I will write x also. Okay, here one more x remains, and here root 3 will take common. Root 2 only remains like this. Now from these two, root 6 means what? Again I will write like root 3 into root 2. 2 means what? Root 2 into root 2. So I will take root 2 common, but because of minus, I will take root 2, but change the fourth number signs. Okay, now here root 2 take common. What remains here? Root 3, and the x is there. Okay, and here 1 root 2 will take common. Then one more root 2 still remains. Finish. Now again see that bracket is common. Take that bracket common. Root 3x minus root 2. And again root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. So now root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0, or second bracket may be 0. So root 3x equal to root 2. Therefore x equal to root 2 upon root 3. This side again will get the same. Means this equation has one root only. Why? Both roots are same. In just write one root only. Understand? Look here in the next one. Look, whenever like this one, the product of two terms is 0. At that time only this one equal to this one equal to this. But here 50, not 0. Don't make that kind of stupid things. Okay? First multiply here. 2m into m, 2m square minus 2m into 24, 48m. That 50 comes this side, minus 50 is equal to 0. Like this one. Or you may take 2 to this side and divide. Make it easy. Here also, divide to both sides by 2. What will we get here? Only m square. This is divide. That means 24. Here also divide 25. Make it easy here. Now, very similar. Minus 24 should come the splitting term. That one. Okay? We have to split that minus 24. And here the product is minus 25. Now, because of this minus, both have opposite signs. Here it is minus, means greater number is negative. I'll write greater number this side. Okay? This is one method like I'll make here. Okay? Here should be write greater number first. 25. Here it is 24. The difference is 24. Means 25 ones are. So here write 25 and ones are. Here these are the twos. Now observe here. Because of here the square term has no coefficient. We can write directly here. Directly. How we can write? See here. Write 2 brackets is equal to 0. Which is the variable here? M. Here also m. Right now these two are the factors. Minus 25 and here it is plus 1. Finish. The two terms as the product is 0 means either first may be 0 or second may be 0. Means m minus 25 equal to 0 or m plus 1 equal to 0. Here it is m is equal to 25 or m is equal to minus 1. Here the roots are this equation. Understand friends? Look here. Very, very simple this one. That's it. If you observe here, no m means middle term is absent. Just look here, no middle term. At that time, I take here m square and constant, no m term. At that time, there are two options, two methods are there. First, I'll take here, see, m square is equal to 9 upon 25. Okay, taking square root to both sides. What will get? M is equal to plus or minus. Remember, 3 upon 5 means m is equal to plus 3 upon 5 or m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. This is one method. So sometimes we are going to solve the same one by just different way. How? Look here. I'll take 25m square minus 9 to this side. So now if you observe here, this is nothing but 5m square minus 3 square. This is nothing but the formula. What is the formula? A square minus b square. What is that? A plus b, a minus b. So we can write here 5m plus 3, 5m minus 3 like this. So just by our usual procedure, if you solve that one, we'll get the solutions are like this. M is equal to minus 3 by 5 and m is equal to 3 by 5. Here they are the solutions. Understand, friends? So look here, observe it. Here for this example, we solve by two ways. Sometimes we are going to solve by this method also in next part. Okay, friends? Observe it. Look here, friends. Remaining two examples. Just observe. Here, what do you observe here? M square term, m term. Means no constant. At that time, if there is no constant, take that term together in one side like this. Okay? Now straight we take common. How much you can take common from these two? Look here, 7. 3 is that, means 7 you can take common and m also. So like this. Here m remains and 7, 3 is that. Now, in the previous sum, that 50 is there. 50 is there, that is why we multiply. Here 0 is there. Straight we make either this one is 0 or this one is 0. Why we know product of two terms is 0, then either first may be 0 or second may be 0. Means 7m equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. What we can get? M is equal to 0 upon 7, that is m equal to 0. Understand? That's right, m equal to 3. Means either m equal to 0 or m equal to 3. This is the solution. Hoops. Okay? Now here, what is that? No middle term. Like just, I think the tens are like this one. Okay? Straight away, what you can write here? One term, take that side, that constant term. So m square is equal to 11. Taking square root to both sides. What will get? M is equal to plus or minus. And 11 means root 11. That is m is equal to plus root 11 or m is equal to minus root 11. You can solve the same example by that second method in 10th one already we solved. Yes, by a square minus b square. You try to solve by that method also. Okay, friends? Now, we take one more example. That is not in this particular practice set. I'll take one. See here. This is, we'll take one extra sum. Which kind of that one? Look here. Sometimes we can get 2m plus 1 bracket square is equal to 25. Like these sums are there. At that time, no need to expand that bracket here. Straight away take square root to both sides. So taking square root to both sides. Okay? Taking square root to both sides. What will get here? 2m plus 1. That bracket square. So write just one bracket only. Square root of that one. And that side 25 means plus or minus 5. Means what? Look here. 2m plus 1 is equal to 5. That is plus 5. Or 2m plus 1 is equal to minus 5. This is very important. This particular method we are going to use in the next method. So try to observe here. Here also, 2m is equal to plus pi minus 1. So 2m is equal to 4. So m is equal to 4 by 2. That means m is equal to 2. In that procedure, 2m is equal to minus 5 minus 1. 2m is equal to minus 6. So m is equal to minus 6 by 2. Therefore, m is equal to minus 3. So m is equal to 2 or m is equal to minus 3. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. That is, these kind of examples are not in your practice set, but still they are very useful for the next studies or next methods to solve these quadratic equations. Understand? All these are the examples by using which method we solve? Factorization method. You should know how to split the middle term, okay, and how to write that signs. That signs also very important. Okay, friends.